help Leo open his present.
I might need some help with this bow. Can I just slide it off?
Yeah.
Here,
Who's that from?
That's from Grandma, I believe.
Oh, Grandma. From Grandma to Leo.
Here, I'll maybe give Mommy the card on the top. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Okay, buds.
Leo, what'd you get?
Something big. A little bit big. Oh!
Leo, what's Santa say?
Ho, ho, ho.
Something you don't even have, buddy. This is cool.
Oh. I know what that is.
Ooh, open it up.
Well, I don't want him to break it.
Oh.
And I don't want to hold it and such.
Piggy bank. It's a piggy bank.
Oh, cool.
Wow. Just what he needed.
He needed one of those, didn't he?
It's
He-
a piggy bank.
Remember, he broke his.
It's a red one.
That is super cute.
And I think this is a football.
Ooh.
Let's see. I think it's a baseball one, actually. Grandma
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Grandma likes her baseball team.
Ooh.
Chi-chi.
Do you love it?
Oh, that's cute. And a little shirt, too.
Check.